Okay, so this is February 8th, 2025. This is just gonna be a really fast video, and this is day 215 of consistently helping people build consistency. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make this video straight to the point because I'm extremely exhausted right now. I just got a really busy day, and to be honest, I kind of procrastinate to record this video. And so here I am. Cannot think properly and cannot speak properly anymore because I'm really exhausted. So, how do you actually be consistent at doing positive things, at exercising, studying, practicing your art, and so on and so on? Actually, I think one of the best method to do this is to just grab a pen and paper, and then the thing that we want to be doing here is to just write the thing that we want to be doing extremely clear, okay? Because notice that when we want to exercise consistently, when we want to study consistently, we only say to ourselves that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising every single day. I'm gonna be studying every single day. I mean, this is really unclear and this is gonna be problematic. I mean, what type of exercise that you're gonna be doing? How many minutes we are gonna be doing the studying on a daily basis? What is the daily bare minimum target, right? So how can we even be consistent at doing something if we don't even know what is the thing that we wanted to be doing on the first place, right? So we're gonna be making things extremely clear by making it specific, measurable. So for example, we're instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing exercise, we say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing running. Instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm gonna study, let's say, oh yeah, I'm gonna read some books every single day. But not only that we make it specific, we also make it measurable. 5 minutes of running. Um, and also like 5 minutes of reading some books and so on and so on. But not only that we make the thing that we wanted to be doing extremely clear, we also make the time of when are we going to be doing it also extremely clear. Because notice if we don't have a clear time when we should be doing our thing, right? Big chances we are just gonna procrastinate doing it, right? So let's just set an alarm on our phone in order to remind us to do that particular thing on that particular time of the day. And then the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to change the alarm tone into some motivational song or motivational speech. So even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to actually do the exercising, do the studying, we are still gonna be doing it anyway because, you know, the probability of us actually getting motivated because we listen to the song, we listen to the speech is gonna be higher. So yeah, I think that's it from me for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.